What's up, guys? We're back with another video. Bueno, guys, I haven't really vlogged the builds that we got going on right now. Why, guys? Because we actually been super busy working on these mamalonas. This build that I'm about to show you guys right now, well, you guys actually seen it already. The white one we have bought, a rolling chassis that literally had no interior, no motor, no nothing, guys. Literally nothing at all. It was all stock. Well, guys, I'm gonna show it to you guys now. It's actually running now. I want to give a big shout out to Church of LS and compa Josh for actually getting down on the motor build, guys. Literally, this has been a 3-day build, like 3 days, literally fully of hard working on this damn truck, guys, and it's actually working now too. And I want to give a big shout out to the compa Ricky. You guys already know him, the mastermind right there. He put in the interior, he put the doors on there, because you guys see the doors that were on there, they were not from this truck, or I don't know what the hell were they from, but the doors were like some ugly doors, bucket doors. They literally have no panels, no nothing, you know, no windows at all. And now, guys, the actual windows work. They go up and down. It's all electric, basically, you know, because as you guys see, we actually bought that other truck to use it for parts on this one. And well, guys, now we have the truck working, and hopefully we make it to Truck and Madness April 1st. Don't miss out. Actually, this weekend, going down in Lancaster, guys. You guys are gonna see them out there, and we're trying to push to pull out the 2016 Silverado. As you guys seen, it was actually in an accident, guys, and we're actually trying to, you know, push to get that one out too, because we're gonna repaint the whole truck. As you guys seen at SEMA, we had messed it up. We messed up the bed and everything, but other than that, what else? India Perra actually got El Compa Güero working on it right now. He's actually changing the spark plugs and putting back the headers on there. Why? Because we had to take out those headers to take them to El Compa L's headers in Santa Ana, I believe it's where he's at. They got a jig off of them, like a mold, so they could make new set of headers for the new truck that we got going on right now, because we actually have some short tube headers on it right now, and you know, just to tune it real quick and get it going. But El Compa Güero's actually working on the India Perra. I'm gonna show you guys right now too, putting the headers back on, installing them back on and everything, getting it ready. And as you guys know, the India Perra got into a little sidewalk accident, nothing too crazy. Pero guys, no pasa nada. Shout out to Drop Stars for actually fixing the rim, guys. Let me show you to you guys real quick. Miren, guys, aquí está el rim. Aquí no pasó nada. Shout out to Drop Star Village right here, guys. Got down on the rim. No pasó nada. Nomás. Look at it. We're actually going to be trying to turn on the India Perra right now, guys, so we can take it to the tire shop and actually install the tire that was actually on this rim. And, you know, trying to go mess them up on Thursday. You know, go test out the truck at Irwindale. Let's see how it does. And then from there, pues, we actually have another new set of tires. Shout out to Thick Vatos and Tires for hooking us up. Those tires over there. Mira, estas ya están todas melonas. Well, guys, aquí está el build. Mira nomás. La abusadora. Little baby 4.8. A ver qué hace a Truck and Madness. Mira nomás. Mix, match. Traigo un pinche tiradero aquí. Mira nomás. Puro pinche aceite. Antifreeze. I don't know what the hell it is. But as you guys know, we barely bought this house, and ya tenemos un pinche desmadre aquí con las trocas. But guys, you guys already know it's truck season, and we gotta do our magic. Look at what are you doing, Way?
I'm gonna jack this up.
Huh?
Jack.
What's wrong with the jack?
It's E into the dirt.
It's E? You know what you're doing, bro?
I don't feel safe with this.
Huh?
I don't feel safe.
What are you doing?
Lower it. Grab it again.
Lower what?
Truck.
Estás bien, Way, neta. Go pick it up. Go. It's not gonna fall. Go more. I got you. Look, let me help you out real quick. Keep going. Ay, Way. Oh, bro, this shit has... Oh, yeah, now you tell me?
Yeah.
Pinche morro tonto. Go more. A little more. Oh, more. God damn, fool. Si somebody see me agarró. And that shit hurt, fool. That shit made me scream like a little female. Oh, ahora sí ya la madreaste. Go, bring it down. All right, guys, now let me get to work, because Güero es un pinche vato huevón.
Go! Ahí vienen todas.
¿Qué valiste madre?
Go!
What you call him?
Go! Sí, písame. Sí, ya.
Fool's camped out. Apúrate, güey, apúrate. No, estás bien, güey, neta, güero, neta. All right, guys, I already did this side. Güero takes forever. Look at him, guys. He's barely gonna do this side. Güero,
What's up, bro?
can you hurry up, bro? Like, where you at? ¿Estás haciendo güey, verdad, güey?
I was sleeping, bro.
Hurry up, bro. Come on.
I took a 30 under here.
Apúrate, güey. Can you hurry up? Neta. Can you hurry up, bro?
No.
Mira, llenando los pinches aires de pura pinche tierra. Damn, bro. Aquí trabajamos en la pura pinche tierra. Parecemos niños de la tierra, ¿verdad, güey?
Hey, bro. I can't do it.
Why?
I have to jack up the truck for this side.
Just put it through right there.
I can't. I'm already in front of your truck.
Estás bien. Por rebaja, güey.
Que la tengas bien bajita.
Roca bajita, levanta nalguita, ¿no?
Dice.
Mira la que levanté. Ay,
No, no he
chiquitito. ¿No?
No.
Levanta esta, ¿no?
Hey, you want to see my belt for work?
What's your belt for work? Oh, damn. That's custom. Pedazo de fierro. Y luego te vas a picar la panza, güey.
When I get tired at work, me cuelgo and I just sleep.
Hey, chi, güey.
I still hang, you know?
Oh, you're retarded, güero.
That's why I have this now.
¿Te cuelgas con un gancho así para arriba?
Yeah. Like when it rains,
Ajá.
cuelgo y me seco right there. I just stay.
Ajá. Estás bien, güey, neta. Fue neta. Hurry up, bro. We gotta finish this shit, bro. Come on. Later, guys. You guys are probably saying, oh, este güey no es cemento. Guys, we just barely got the house. And ya tenemos un pinche tiradero aquí de trocas. You guys can see this one right here, too. Later on, we have to buy a frame. Because this truck, guys, let me show you guys real quick. Look at the frame right here, guys. Valió chichis de gallina. But the good thing, we actually have the parts right there. You know, we just needed just a frame. And then start everything back on. This motor's actually good. And we actually need a transmission, too. Because we actually put the transmission from this one on that one, guys. Pero no pasa nada, ¿verdad, güero? ¿Se arreglan las cosas? Hurry up, bro. We gotta go to the tire shop to go put the rim on. We gotta get ready for Truck and Madness, bro. Wait, the question is, what are you going to Truck and Madness?
Of course.
Another question is, are you taking your truck?
Of course I am.
We're gonna call it the twins. The white one and güeros, huh?
Oh, yeah, they're twins.
The twins? They're just opposite colors, guys, but they're twins. Hurry up, bro. Hurry up. All right, guys. Meanwhile, Güero puts the headers on the India Perra. I'm gonna show you guys that the truck is running. And we're gonna do a small little quick burnout just to show you guys that ya está trabajando la abusadora. Ahí les va. Burnout, guys. Look at what over here. What's wrong, bro? Huh? What's wrong? That what? I scared you?
Stress me out with your noises.
I stress you out?
Yeah, why can't the trucks ever be quiet?
Let me touch your heart, bro. You okay?
No. Ah!
¿Qué onda, cabrón?
Oh, yeah.
¿Qué dicen? ¡Cachos! ¿Te gustó, güey?
Do it again.
¿Te gustó?
¿Le gustó? No.
No. Esas ya son jotadas, güey.
No, ya.
Oílo.
Mira.
Te trae pedazo de caca atorado ahí en el pinche calzón. Alright, guys, pues ya acabé aquí, ¿no? De la mecánica, haciendo la mecánica. You guys already know me. El güero, siempre huevoneando, valiendo madre. But, guys, let me show you guys something real quick. Este motor tiene mucho power, que hasta quebró las... What do you call these? Bujías?
Spark plugs.
Bujías?
Yeah.
Ah, bujías. Spark plug. Look at that, guys. But the one that was actually pretty badass, guys, that it was actually Bluetooth. Y yo no sabía que esa ya traía el Bluetooth, you know? Spark plug. Check this out. Mira nomás. Bluetooth spark plug, bro. Check this out. You like that, güero?
I wonder where the other half is at.
I have no idea. But it was still running good.
It was.
Now imagine with all these brand new.
I think that's why it was spitting fire.
Oh, bro. Sí, cierto. Nah, but I think it spits more fire now.
Probably.
We're gonna have to check it out right now. All right, guys. So right now, now that I fixed my truck, you know, by myself, a little help güero, but you know, todo sucio. Guys, la neta, building these damn trucks, ni me ha bañado por como 3-4 días. No me corte de pelo, ando todo madreado ahorita, todo sucio. Pero guys, it's part of the game. We love getting, you know, hands-on training, you know, like UEI. Guys, when I went to school, and I'm just kidding, guys, I never went to school. But if you guys go to school, stay in school, guys, because you guys do need school in life. You guys need your high school diploma, and yeah, you guys are not gonna be nothing in life. But Guys, the Malona's ready now, and we're gonna pull that one out real quick, and then take it to Vargas Tires and Wheels to go get the tire mounted on the truck and the rim too, and pues a ver qué desmadre we get into, guys. So vámonos de aquí, guys, porque ya eso está que let's go, let's go. Bueno, guys, acabamos de llegar aquí, los compas de Vargas Tires. Miren, acá la agarramos trabajando. Mira nomás. No, que te cerraste, mira. Estoy trabajando.
Es que soy educado yo, pues.
Mira, traigo las manos sucias. Ahora estoy
Me vale
trabajando.
bien.
Ey, por fin que anda trabajando, ¿no?
Hoy no.
Por fin estoy trabajando.
Hoy.
Pinche gente huevona.
Gente huevona. Te voy a porque traigo. No, pues dale. Primero acaba. Dale.
You can act up and tire stuff like that.
Dora the Explorer.
What's up, bro?
What happened? And when I dig my hair right now, fool, it's like yours right now, look. But
Like this. You have to calm it down.
Actually, you got piojos, fool.
Ah.
Ugh, piojos, nasty.
All right, we'll get back to what we're gonna tell him.
Huh?
What we're gonna ask him.
Oh, hey, le traigo el vino el que se dobló.
What?
¿Se dobló uno? ¿No miró? ¿No miró qué le pasó al río?
¿No?
Oh,
That's fucked up. You don't watch the videos, bro.
no miro, I for watching the videos, bro.
No, compa, es que ando en chinga yo.
That's right, trabajando.
Sí, todo el tiempo. Pero a ver, vamos a verlo.
Ahí está, mira.
¿Me traes la pesadilla?
Eso, mira. Esto es lo que... Va a tener los botones, ¿no?
Aguas, déjame escondo porque.
Oh, lo saco.
No me la puedo quitar porque me regañan.
¿El león o la leona?
Los patrones.
No,
Ah.
yo pensé que el
Ah,
novio.
sí, los patrones.
Yo pensé que el novio.
No.
¡Ey, la va a quemar!
Va a agarrar el puto tanque, güey. Va a agarrar el tanque, güey.
Vale.
Huele como a bacon, ¿no, güey? Estás quemando, güey. Ya va a agarrar el tanque a la verga, güey. Oh my God, no sirvió.
What's that for?
¿Ah?
What's that for?
That's a trick, bro. We can't sell
¿Eso
it.
pa' qué es?
Dile que no le podemos hacer ese truco, güey.
Eso es para que pregunten nomás.
Ajá. Para los preguntones.
Sí. Para que aflojen, para que aflojen.
Alright, guys, so Wedo came with me. He brought his mamalona. Look at him. But guys, I was like, Wedo, why is the alignment off? And we're actually at the house talking about the alignment here and this and that. But guys, the good thing that I noticed it. Check this out, guys. You can see the rebaba right there. Look at the rebaba in there. Mira nomás. Míralo. Wedo, neta, bro. Now imagine how you leave my trucks all chuecas. No, wait, check this out, Pick it up. More, pick it up more. Go. Bueno, neta, bro.
Ahí está.
Mira, check this out. Mira. Bueno, no te pases de lanza, güey, neta. Oh my God, güey. Así te matabas, perro. Yeah, your alignment's still off because of that.
Like this.
Wait, you didn't feel nothing or what? How's your alignment? Todo chueco como el dueño. Guys, what almost died? Bueno, you never check your tuercas or what?
No.
Check your tuercas, bro.
Yeah. What? Okay, ahí está straight, right?
Uh-huh.
Look at the steering wheel. Hold up.
No, my God.
Look at the steering wheel.
Todo chueco.
That's how you drive it straight?
Yeah.
Supposedly.
Fool,
But if I
check
put
your,
it- I-
check your tuercas,
If I
bro.
put it straight, it goes that way.
Well, no, duh. No, mames. Hey, you want to see something on my truck right now? What he did?
What?
Same thing. Huh?
Now it doesn't rub.
Now it doesn't rub. Oh, I know. Oh, no wonder.
And how can I fix the alignment?
No. Let me go check. Let me go show my truck, bro.
What?
Look what you did to the volante. Look at that. Straight, guys. Check this out, too. Chueco. Bro, I'm not trying to be like you. Hey. ¿Tampoco? Dora, what you got to say about this fool, bro? ¿Está bien, güey? ¿Está bien, güey?
Yeah, salvage title.
Igual que tú, or what?
A little bit.
Oh, my God. Guys, the one that I actually seen, then I checked the
let me
damn
swing
thing
it.
out. Swing what? Swing this one.
Yeah.
No, swing this one.
Which one?
El de abajo.
No mames. Let me swing it.
A ver, dale.
I don't have the keys.
Pinche vato tonto.
Right now.
Look at him, guys. Hey, what's going through your head, bro? Casi te matabas.
I'm picking up my bed instead of the truck.
Huh? What happened?
Picking up my bed instead of the truck.
Let me see, bring it down. Güero, estás bien, güey, neta.
Look.
Neta, güero? What?
I only use like 2 or 3.
No mames, güey. They're supposed to have 6, not 2 or 3.
Yeah, that's the good one.
Oh my God, güero.
At least I do something good once.
Hey, what you cut off? That was hanging? You cut your shit off because it was
It
hanging?
was hanging too much.
You didn't like it or what?
Nah,
Nah?
I wasn't fucking with it.
Why not?
Because it was too hanging.
It was too hanging?
Yeah.
What else? Yours hanging?
Yeah.
Which way?
But down the middle.
Down the middle? The exhaust. We're talking about the exhaust.
Why? That's why.
Where's the exhaust at, bro?
On that side.
Where? Let me see. No lo miro. Where's the exhaust?
Over there.
Hanging where?
Oh, right now you can't see because it's in there.
I don't see it, bro, because it's in the air. Chimorro tonto, güey.
That's why.
Huh? That's why what? Let me see.
No agarran. Hey, you want to buy me some new ones?
Estás bien, güey. Buy yourself some new ones.
Hey,
What happened?
it's fucking loud.
Is it loud?
Yes.
Pues para que se ponen a la verga.
It shoots too much flames.
Nah.
Yes.
Pon el cigarro ahí, güey. Para que te quede
No.
la pinche.
No.
Alright, guys, so you guys know my boy over here has a little Honda. He's been having Hondas for like the past, 10 years, 15 years, but he has better little Hondas, guys. He said he wants to do a little two-stick competition. We ain't about the life, we about, burning out, but I know that shit's gonna be loud. For sure that shit's gonna be loud, so let's see. Dale, pues. Dale.
Me dejó sordo.
¿Cuál?
Ya me acabé la pinche gasolina, güey.
Me dejó sordo.
This is loud. This is loud, but el mío se mira más bonita.
He says he wants, hey, he says he wants 1,000 for it.
Ok, 1000 por él. Dale, dale. ¿Qué? 1000. ¿Qué? Por el
Por un rin a la verga.
Te lo voy a traer de puro dólares.
Por un rin nomás.
No, dijiste que 1000, güey. Bueno, you heard 1,000.
Yeah, usted me dijo que 1,000.
Pa' pura colita nomás.
A ver si tiempo. Oh, damn. Let's go, güero. No hay ni tiempo, güey, en esta madre. Nah, bro, I don't fit in this car.
You need a custom seat made for it.
No mames.
cabes, güey, no mames.
Okay, fit 1,500.
Ahí va, súbale.
Súbele. 1510.
Ahí va.
Ahí va.
1,500.
Ya más o menos se saca los 12.
1,600.
12,000.
12,000. No mames. Putada, no mames.
Ni que fuera del año.
Pinche yonke.
Hey, watch him blow his motor, bro.
For fun. Todo este pinche tronido y todavía no acaba la puta llanta. Mira, después de 2 horas.
Tres pinches rines originales, güey.
Oh my.
Original rims.
Go check it out, fool. Go check it out. Oh my.
They've been on that tire for how long? Like,
Original.
Original.
watch out!
No mames, le vas a quemar las greñas de esta güey.
¿Cuánto lleva con esa llanta?
Como 3 horas aquí.
Pero te hacía chicharrón, güey.
I said, watch out.
Oh, se quemó más. Se hizo más de grito, mira. Why'd you take to turn it off?
Because I was gonna turn it off.
No mames, güey. Oh, mira, pobrecito, lo quemó más el niño. Mira nomás, mira. Se le quedó prendido el culillo, ¿no?
Bro, what are you doing now?
We're gonna buy a car. Vamos a comprar un carro a ver si se two-step este.
That one don't have two-step, bro.
Ya vale para el motor. Sí.
Where the fuck is this for going?
You seen that shit, bro?
How you do that?
Hey, they look for trays?
They probably have some here. Bro, why is it that every car you get, you have to try to make it burn out?
Bro, they all burn out. Let's get trays. Let's get trays. ¡Hola, cabrón! ¡Ey! ¿Qué es eso? ¡Míralo! ¡La lavadora! Leave right there! Leave right there! Alright, guys, so we're moving the truck because we found these little things right here. We're gonna try to put them on the bottom of that car. And we're gonna try to do some donuts with it. More? Wait, hold on, let me check the other guy. There!
Lock it.
Hey, hold on, let me hop in. Is it locked?
Yeah. Go. You need more space.
We can swing anything.
It was burning out the front ones too.
Oh, the helicopter's coming.
Where'd it go? Somewhere. Bro, why do you have to make everything swing? Why?
All right, guys. So we ended up putting this rim on here, and there's actually a spacer on the rim in the back that I brought. Oh no, there's another spacer that I have. I actually have two spacers. Check this out, guys. I have two spacers, but shout out to Ramon. Actually, let me borrow one on that side, and we actually put a spacer on this one because we're gonna be leaving the rims right here con los viejones at Vargas Tires and Wheels. If you guys need tires, rims, live kits, lowering kits, look us out right here in the city of Compton, guys. Make sure to hit them up. And like I said, guys, they're gonna be putting the new ones on there, and the other one is a used one. I'm gonna be taking it off and probably be using it, you know, some other day because I gotta get ready for Trucking Madness. Pero por ahorita nos vamos. Mira este güey. ¿Ya listo?
Listo, compa. Vámonos ya.
¿Para ir para la casa o te vas a quedar a hacer los rines?
Voy a quedar aquí con el patrón ahí. Ya me puse la rodillera. Bien puesta. Bien puesta.
A hacer el jalón.
Simón, ahorita estamos dos
¿Con una mano o con dos?
No, estamos dos compañeros ahí por si me canso.
Ah, okay. Ya estamos, mamá. Muchas gracias. Vámonos. Alright, guys. I want to give a big announcement. Don't forget, April 1st, Trucking Madness in Lancaster, California, guys. Do not miss out. We're going to be out there with the Malonas. We're going to try, guys, to take all three of them. The Blue 2016, La India Perra right here behind me, and La Abusadora, guys. We're actually having a little bit of issues on La Abusadora because the stall that's on there right now, I believe is like a 2600. It's just a little small one, and for it to do burnouts, it takes a little time to catch up, guys, and do a little quick burnout. But I actually need to get a big stall, probably like a 36 or 3400 stall, you know. But like I said, guys, we actually left everything last minute, and shout out to TCR for actually, you know, trying to make one in time, guys. Hopefully he actually gets it done in time, and we actually swap it out and get it ready for the show. But guys, with this said, is gonna be there for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. We out.